As you can see, the driveway isn't real wet for all the rain we were supposed to get so far. I think it's sprinkled like maybe once overnight. The bright spot's over there because the clouds are a little thick over there, but that's where the sun is over there. So, and a reflection off Mom's windows. I'm a little late getting you this early clip just because catching up on videos and comments overnight. And there really wasn't much to catch other than, like I say, there it is. So, I got a feeling it may not rain at all today. Really didn't screw much up as far as doing much. Well, silly girl's gotta itch her back. At least she ain't getting wet doing it, right? And everything in the barn was good this morning. Bam Bam was working on a yearling when I was in there, but I couldn't read her tag, so I know which one she is. Just gotta go take a look at her face and then read her tag. Maybe I can do that in a little bit. And I don't think, well, Dino wasn't following anybody that I saw. Then I never saw him. He had his head in the feeder, I think. Oh, well, we'll get the day going here in a little bit.
This is the line that we're going to replace today. It actually goes up to the bullpen. Bullpen's right there, and then the horse run is the next one clear at the top. But yeah, sorry, I'm going. Oh, sorry, ended that one. We have some panels that are clear across the bridge and on the other side that we have to replace also. So, got to do that. 2 wires to run on a short stretch, and then the top wire, barbed wire that we didn't get to yesterday, and then I think we are done with fences. Ed is digging out the edge of the bridge because it has a list in it and some holes. He has an idea of putting some power poles laid in there and filling it in and all sorts of stuff.
Well, it didn't rain today. Actually, it sprinkled a little bit once, about an hour ago. But, yeah, been like this. So, weatherman lied like normal. The rain's just going to finish knocking all the blooms off of that thing. The wind last night was good enough for scattering them around here. And I know, I didn't get very much video today. Becky got a few clips. She already seen them by now. I even told her to change the thing once, so I'm going to bring you back in a minute. Well, there. The bridge part's done, the fence isn't done. A little longer span across between posts than I wanted, but that's about 30 feet across. So that stack of panels down there, there's some 16s in there that they more or less match. I'm going to find the 2 that match the best and make one out of them. Hang them on that other side, and then the bridge is done. And still got one fence post to put over there, brace post and a brace, and same thing on the other side. Run wires, and then that section will be done. Well, still got to put the steel post in. So yeah, more fun. But once that's done, that's needed to get done for a long time. Those panels have been up there for probably 5 years, pain in the butt. But hey, look, some babies. Couple baby butts, couple mommies. That may be a twin right there, because that's the twin's mama, I think. And 324A. Her calf comes up once in a while to say hi. Oh, and look, Nick's here.
Hey, how's it going?
He got his ears lowered today. Number 1 took care of that for him before she left. Little bugger there. It's funny. That's an oat and grass bale. And that feeder was clear empty when it went in, so they've blasted quite a bit of it. Center one, the feeder was up to the bottom of the top of the tin with an oat and grass. Put the grass on top, they've eaten it. The far feeder. It's the same as this one. They haven't touched it. And the bull's out there sniffing somebody. He's thinking she's looking awful interesting. He was just kind of checking one out and walked away from her. It's not the one he walked away from. From here, I'm going to say, no, maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, it is. I think it's Minnie. Minnie Moo. Looks like it from here. That'd be good. Get her early. I think he's already bred about 3 or 4. That's a good thing. Get them done since we weren't out early enough with him. Yeah, that's Minnie. No doubt about it. Rain, get out of there. She don't need to get full of shit. She gotta go in the house. There's one little calf, little one over there against the fence. He was laying there all laid out. Rattle stuff, yell, scream at him. He just totally ignores it. Finally got him to twitch a little. It's like, okay, he's alive. Then he said to get up, and he got up like a horse. Wish I'd have got some video of that. And Dino don't know who he wants to go after. He's just going to check everybody out and see what's going on. And Bam Bam was getting pretty frisky with one of the girls at the other end of the barn this morning. So hopefully he's got a few bred. Hopefully. And baby just found a hot wire. Learn what that is now, kid. I'm going to say it's that one walking into the screen now. Yeah, must have found it with her nose, because she's busy licking her nose to make it feel better. Yeah, that's the best way to find it, because they respect it a lot then. Hurts like hell when they do that too. And that's the same cow he was with this morning. His nose is curled up, thinking she smells good yet. Yeah. Oh well. That ought to be long enough. Give you something to watch tonight as the birds buzz by my head. If I zoom back out, you might see some of them flying around. Maybe. Dark colored birds against the clouds. It's a whole bunch right over there. You can kind of see them. We were just counting some of the nests that they've got done. I think it was 18 nests that they've got done, and there's 14 that they got starts on. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and see if we can show you some more tomorrow.